Hey guys, and welcome back to another video from C4 and Haggis. If you haven't done so already, please give a like and subscribe. And now I'm going a little bit away from my crypto journey just now to renovate one of my properties that I have just stopped letting out. The tenant had an issue back in November with rotten floorboards from the looks of it, and it didn't look very pretty, and yeah, so got myself a new tool. Tenant's only just recently moved out, and as you will see from the next few pictures, where he had his fish tank wasn't the issue, it was the main floor. Now this was done cheaply by another landlord previously, so my worst case scenario is I have to lift up the whole floor downstairs as it's a concrete shell. However, the more I dig, the more I discover it's going to have to come up. As you can see there, it's in the kitchen, rotten, and then right above the kitchen there is the water tank. And I wasn't able to see this until the tenant had moved out, as he had all his belongings in. And as you can see, top tank leaking. You give a little tap, it will drip some more. And floor is absolutely soaking. There's a valve at the bottom as well down there that the return water is going into. Absolutely soaking, as well as the roof. Both the top edges were completely cracked, and the rooms upstairs were completely mouldy. Now that's where I guess those water's coming from, but I'm going to have a roofer check that for me and fix it where it needs to be fixed. And here's me getting started on ripping up the floor. Apologies, I am doing this one-handed, and as you can see, absolutely soaking pieces of wood there. This back part is tar, and it has been refilled with tar over the years and years and years. And my assumption is they haven't done something right. I don't know what, but we'll have to get digging to find out what they've done. There you are. See the rotten wood there. And where the tenant had his fish tank, so I had to let him know that it was leaking as well. I wasn't going to bother with it because this is the state of the floor. And as you can see, like a swimming pool, with the insulation acting as a sponge, soaking it all up. There was old gullies for the water to run away from the looks of it that were sealed up with the tar stuff. And halfway through day one, we managed to get it all ripped up. As you can see, the bottom of the door is absolutely soaking. And I'm going to do some more tomorrow. Get all this cleaned up, as if I didn't start, but you can see there the concrete is absolutely soaking, and it's very muddy. All the stuff from the back door has come through, and as you can see in the shoes. And now, so what I do need to do is continue to rip up the floor, potentially dehumidify if I can't seal the door and the water leaks upstairs, but that will be in a video for tomorrow. I do apologise, I am a little bit later on these videos than I am on my Instagram, as all my time is being taken up on renovating this property and ripping things out. So I will post as many updates as I can. I may include a couple of shorts, but stay tuned. If you haven't already, again, please give a like and subscribe and follow for more. And there will be updates on my crypto journey as well in the near future. Thanks again.